We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Lynn Greenfield, M., 1973. Wolf Blitzer, wife. Blitzer and his wife, Lynn Greenfield, live in Bethesda, Maryland. They have one daughter, Alana Blitzer Gendelman, born in 1981. Wolf Blitzer, Wikipedia.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.